Entrance wall decor ideas in 2025 asterisk. In 2025, entrance wall decor is all about making a bold and welcoming first impression. The entrance of your home sets the tone for the entire space. And with the right wall decor, you can instantly elevate its charm, character, and style. Whether your entryway is spacious or compact, there are creative and trendy ways to make your entrance wall stand out beautifully. One of the top trends this year is the use of asterisk statement mirrors. Large, uniquely shaped mirrors not only make the entrance area look more open and bright but also add a touch of elegance. From arched frames to geometric metallic designs, mirrors are a must-have for stylish entrance decor. Wall-mounted shelves are another practical and stylish idea. They offer a perfect spot to display small indoor plants, framed photos, or decorative pieces. Floating wooden shelves or minimal black frames give a modern and organized look to any entrance wall. In 2025, wall art and typography are playing a big role in entrance decor. Inspirational quotes, custom family name signs, or abstract paintings add personality and warmth. Using a combination of textures like wood, canvas, or metal in your artwork gives a layered and designer feel. For a cozy and natural look, vertical gardens or green walls are trending as well.